In this video, we will show you how to calculate the interest on a judgment in Michigan. On the judgment screen, click New. The new judgment screen opens. Enter the name or title you would like to use. Next, enter the start date of the judgment, and then an end date of the judgment. Next, enter the starting amount. For now, we'll skip over the payments and additional fees and go to the interest rate details section. In this section, select the Michigan statutory rate. Then you will need to decide when you would like your 6-month intervals. You can use January 1st and July 1st, which is when the interest rate changes in Michigan, or you can select every 6 months after the start date of the judgment. For this example, we will select every 6 months after the judgment. Next, click Calculate. The judgment summary page opens. Here you can see the information that was entered along with the interest calculated. In the judgment details section, you can see the details of every 6-month interval from start to finish. Back at the top of the screen, you can select Download to download the report into a PDF file. Here is how the report appears.